Ki khubor ka bate se TV. Pindon kam da ka Mahindra Power Roll India's #1 generator. Pinlat ka khuslai lahamiet neshai. Spare parts but service ru pinyo klem jing khuslai. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Sorkar Jilla hakar pusat truk ujuliu arajar arpusan. Klepen ku buram kerpang ke Samla Rifiness Wajri keblala bantau history yaladi hakat pradrik ujumang arajar arpusan ban kelalong kenong kiulum kebedang kena tam bagi kintei kebalai naga jela Meghalaya ban poisha Kliar juglum Everest ubudan ni ke jingjrong keba praja praspa sau pra poin prapundriu mita. Kum ke jing sarong halo ke jingjob jang Samla Rifiness Wajri kebedang puli St Anthony's College Shillong kebedang don minta hagarta kebedang at post nem ber kebelong ru ke dekot jang National Cadets Corps ka Sorkar Jilla klepen ku buram da keba ai kustam shilak tingka ya ke Samla kebelawan ra ke nam ke buram sya ke Jilla Meghalaya ba ya ka than jte la mingi bero ko we haga jingalang kebelong State Convention Center Shillong.
So Kliar Wajri, and of course she's a Wajri also. So I think it's a perfect moment. So I thought that this picture would be really a momentous picture, and it would be incomplete without Kliar.
Congratulations, Rifiness Wajri, for your achievement. Let's shout and clap for Rifiness Wajri. Thank you, sir. Thank you. May I invite if Rifiness wants to say a few words?
Experience that I never ever had in my life. I can say that one could say, it's not the mountain we conquer, but ourselves. This is said by Edmund Larry, and I'm very happy that from a young girl from Meghalaya state, I'm not even presenting Meghalaya, but all over Northeast to the international, to the Nepal Mount Everest expedition. It has really made my heart very grateful, very happy, and especially to my parents who have given me this, allowed me to go. This is not something very small I can say. So thank you so much, Pa May, for your love and support, and to all my coach, my sir, my team member, and especially to the NCC who have given me this opportunity to experience this adventure. To our commanding officer from the 61 Meghalaya Girls Battalion NCC, and to all the Shillong group, I'm very happy, sir. Thank you so much for this opportunity. And through my experience, I will share that I will really find difficult while doing first the pre-Everest in Nepal. That is Mount Lobiji Peak. It was on the elevation of 6119 meter, and there I had some of the issues of AMS symptoms. AMS symptoms is also known as the acute mountain sickness, where we are having a headache. So there's a time where I had a headache, a worse headache. I feel I'm giving up. At that time, I said, if I can't climb this, what will happen to me for the Everest? I was like so worried. But my Sherpa are those who guide us, as all the climbers have one Sherpa to climb to Mount Everest and the other Mount Lobiji too. So he's the one who, because we have one each, so he's the one who inspired me. Come on, Glory, you can do it. Everyone know me as Glory as a nickname, so my name is Glory. So he was like, come on, Glory, you can do it, never give up. So on that time I was like walking slowly, and until I reached the summit of Mount Lobiji Peak, I realized that mountain had taught me strong, fearless, and there I decided, if I can do this, Everest is also, I can do it. So from there I got motivated a lot from my team spirit, teammate, and my leaders there, and this has really inspired me a lot, and I climbed Everest on the 18th of May 2025. So thank you so much for your love and support. Thank you so much.
the hills of the East, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music, and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.